Hi guys, welcome to VFX Cafe. I am Durai Pandey. Today I am gonna show you how to set a nuke before starting work. This is one-time setup. Next time just open the nuke and we can start our work. Okay, let's see what we have to do first. You will get this interface when you open first time in the nuke. We need to change some interface setting like as user friendly. So here some option is there workspace. This is a workspace. This is a defaultly compositing workspace. The nuke having some presets of workspace. These 6 presets are there. We can create newly or we can get it from this. Here I am using a single monitor, so I can use for large viewer. 60% of the screen we can take a viewer panel. Okay, what to do? Go workspace, then select large viewer. These are saving purpose. You can create the workspace, but we are using single monitor, so we can use large viewer here. Shift F3. We can press the shortcut key instead of selecting this menu. See, now 60% of the panel having viewer. This is the properties of the nodes. This is the node graph. When you click this line, you can get this. You can make it full screen like anywhere. Keep the cursor in screen and press Alt S. If you don't want to taskbar, you can do this. If you need any minimize, if you did like this, you can get it back again pressing the Alt S. Here also some properties option is there. So we don't want 10. We can make it as a 1. But if I close the nuke and if I reopen that, the nuke again open defaultly compositing workspace. So I need to set this workspace as a default workspace when you open. This is one-time setup. I already said. Go edit preferences. Here we will make some modification. First come to control panels. Control panel is this one, properties. Before it here 10, we can set it by 1 here. Every time we'll open single. Whatever you type the number, it will properties panel. Because all nodes are opening one by one downside, so it will be irritating sometimes. But sometimes we can manually change 2, 3 like this, because we can copy from another camera, grade values, everything we can copy to another node. So that time definitely we need a 2 or 3 like this. So that time we can manually add, but mostly we use only one enough, because we don't have a space and don't want to see extra node properties as at the same time. Then startup. Come here. Here defaultly startup workspace is compositing. I already said. So now we are changing large viewer. Shift F3. Just click large viewer. Some guys may be another department, like this is not a department wise. This is whatever we can easily take it from that. So we can set that user interface. Then come to viewer setting. Here default texture size is 512. When you use RotoPaint node, that time you will feel this texture size issue. We can change high resolution 2K. This is not affect your actual resolution of your project. Only for viewing quality only this is. So no, don't worry about that. Then come to cache. Here nuke already set on default temp directory. Your cache files, everything will be saved in that directory. Then disk cache size is 10 GB. Okay, if you work in a company like a big project like this, you can little increase it. These two only. And playback as 10. Okay, calm size, everything okay. Don't change others. These two enough. And undo history 50. Okay, no need. Minimum undo events, don't just make 10, because sometimes you will feel that 4 is irritating. Just click the OK. Now our taskbar is hidden. If you save the workspace, like save large viewer, because we are already in large viewer. Once if you save, your full screen mode also saved with this workspace. Full screen mode means the taskbar also here. Okay, now we check. I just close the nuke here. No, I just reopen. See, whatever we saved the workspace, that will be open. If you want a toolbar like this, that is mostly we are not taken, we just take it tab menu and take it everything. Suppose if I take a paint node, you can get the tools automatically, and some modification functions also given upper side, so there's no issue. Okay, this is one time setup only. You don't want to set every time. If you are changing any other system, you need to set first. This is your choice, whatever you feel user friendly. If you guys using single monitor, I'll strongly recommend this. Okay, this is not a project setting, this is a nuke setting. Project setting, every time when you do new project, you need to set one time, but nuke settings only one time enough, it automatically will set up.